Hello guys! So, ito na yung araw na pag-alis namin ni Jowa. So, punta kami ng Pilipinas! It's our vacation, baby! So, yay! So, nilalabas na ni Tom yung aming mga luggage. Ayan, isa-isa. So, unahin muna namin yung mga luggage bago yung mga backpack namin. And then, see you in the airport! You excited? This is second time na uuwi si Jowa sa Pilipinas. Makita niya si Ina. Yeah, date. Ayan, nilalabas na niya isa-isa. See you later sa airport. God bless aming trip, Lord. Gabayan mo kami. I love you. Happy Valentine's, baby.
Valentine's.
Kiss me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello guys. Andito na kami. So ipapark namin yung sasakyan ni Jowa para babalikan niya ng after 9 days. Kasi si Tom dito after 9 days na ako may iwan pa ako doon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
thank you very much.
Ayan. Dito na kami sa parking
Alright, you're going to
spot.
take a left on road J, scan your barcode again, enter the lot, and park row 31.
31?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you. So, ayan. Meron na kami parking spot.
Road J.
I don't know. But, oh, it's like sunflower or what is
It's a
this?
spot.
Spot. Yeah. Circle.
We're gonna bring on a box up there though. We gotta walk away with all our shit.
Letter J. And then barcode. Ayan. Guys, sasakyan namin yung mga namin. Okay. See you later. Hello guys. Dito na kami. Pasok lang kami sa loob. Ayan yung mga bagahe namin. So, yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Teka malaglag. Ay, si Tom. Hello guys. Ayan, dito na kami sa airport. Nag-line na kami doon. So, naidip lang ako. Naglakad lang ako ng konti. So, ayan. Konti pa yan. Ang konti lang. Ang ikli lang. So, ayun si Tom. Si Joe. Yan, si Jowa. Ayun siya. Diba? Nabantayan niya yung natin, luggage natin. Hello, baby. Say hi to my vlog. So, nainip na kami. Nakainip maghintay. Ayan yung
Video.
what?
I saw some orange in the video. Orange.
So, this one. Ayan yung counter. So,
Yeah, like orange.
orange.
Like red,
It's
orange.
red.
I know, they look kind of oranges.
Ay, nakakainip. Boring. Ito yung boring na departure area. So, mamaya na lang guys. Bye! Yan, tapos na kami check-in ng mga gamit. So, yung hand carry na lang ang dala ko. Yan siya. Diba? So, punta immigration. Bawal ng video doon. See you na lang sa loob, guys. Ay, nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. So, paakit na kami sa aming gate. Hanapin namin yung gate namin. Ayan. Haggard. Mahal kita, baby. Happy Valentine's. So, ito na. Ito yung mga sa taas. So, guys. Diba? Course, gate D. Yeah, D1, 11. There's 11 there. So, ayan, D12, D11, always there. So, this is the bathroom. Ayan yung gate namin. So, we're gonna check and charge our battery. My cell phone. Okay. Dito na tayo sa D11. D11. Baby! So, let's go close to the Charging station. Ayan, mag-charge kami ni Jowa. Ayan! Dito kami mag-charge. Later, guys! Tinatawagan namin ng kanyang mudra.
She can't do it.
She can. So, tinatawagan namin yung nanay niya. Ayan. Hindi pa sumasagot.
Call her. Not call her.
No. On WhatsApp.
Then call her phone tap. Call her tap.
Okay, tawagan na.
there she is.
Yes. Hello, man.
Hello, ma.
Get the damn thing dance.
Ayan si Mudra.
We're in the gate now.
Maybe move this. Well, move up.
My text.
Yeah, I did.
What you eating, ma'am? What you eating?
Piece of candy.
Candy.
We have a 2.5 boarding in 2.5 hours.
Kausap namin ang nanay.
Huh? We had to go through the scanning process and the ticket, get the tickets, and
Bye, guys.
bag check, everything.
Ayan guys, nandiyan na yung mga ano. See where this. So look at them. Oh, diba? Tawagin na kami maya-maya niyan. Ay, God, anong papasok? Ayan, pasok na kami guys. Baby. I didn't see. So, ayan, nandiyan na. Ayan na, papasok na kami. JK. Yes, this is ours. 60K. That's me. Oh, baby, find a spot now. For these two. And ilalagyan na nito. And also, this one. This one.
Down here, second one.
Okay, well, go now. Do it now, but there's a lot of people.
You could have done it. Sorry.
Hello! Andito ako sa CR. So, jingle tayo. So, dito, tinamuro sila dito. Ayan, di ba? May konting pabulaklak dyan. Meron din sila mga soap yan. Hello! Ayan, maya-maya. Alis na tayo. Oh my God. Haggard na ako. So, kasi galing ako trabaho kanina. From 4 o'clock ng madaling araw after na sa flight ko. So, see you later, guys. See you, Philippines. Happy Valentine's in the plane going home. Hello, Pilipinas. See you, Mom. Happy Valentine's, everyone. Ayan, uwi kami nito. Ayan guys, nakaupo na kami nito. Nakaupo na kami. So, antok na rin ako. Gusto ko na magpahinga. At saka pakain. Gugutom na. So, dito kami sa front. Dito kasi may exit. So, maluwag. So, maluwag ang aming paa. Kasi yung tuhod nito, hindi pwede. So, lapit kami sa kusina. Dito sa banyo. Lapit din. So, unang-una na pagkain. So guys, hindi na makakapag-video. So maya-maya siguro magano kapag nandiyan na yung pagkain, magdagdag ako ng video. Sa food naman, mamaya kung ano yung offer nila.
We're in the middle.
So this is, yeah,
Going back in the middle.
after, yeah. The meal will come at 2 hours siguro. Tapos 16 hours yung flight namin to Taipei, Taiwan. So see you guys. Bye.
During taxi, takeoff, and landing, general devices must be held securely or placed in the seat pocket.
So, check natin yung pa-TV nila dito. Ayan guys. TV. Ayan. So, ayan. English. Siyempre, English tayo. So, ayan ang ano. May mga movies siya. Ayan, diba? So, ito yung mapa. Diba? Napakaluma. Pero at least meron. May monitor tayo, guys. Diba? So, ayan. Nakalipad na kami. Nakatulog ako ng konti. So, nakalipad na kami. Tapos binigyan kami ng water. Binigyan kami ng tubig. Nasa taas na kami. So, go na to. Pero gutom na ako, guys. Mamaya na lang ulit. So, guys, ito. Nag-serve na sila ng first meal for today. Yung ginawa ko yung pork with rice. Bacon is yun. Tapos, may salad. Meron tinapay. May butter. Guys, yung in-order ko is pork with rice. So, gusto ko sana ng beef kaso hindi siya rice. Ano siya? Mashed potato. So, ito yung akin. Oh, yan yung kanilang pork with rice. In fairness, may kulay po sa side. Meron tuna, may fruits, may tinapay, mayroon dessert. So, yun yung kay Tom. So, kain muna tayo. Kami nito. Baby. Kain muna kami, guys. Yan. Ito na ang first meal namin. Then, Valentine's Day. Guys, sila yung plano ko. Buhat. Simon na Simon. Jowa din Simon. Kasi, gutom kami. Gutom kami dalawa. So, matutulog muna ako. Excuse me. And then, kakain na naman later. Okay? After 3. See you soon. Dito ko sa sila. Ito ang ganda. Maraming salamin. Mayroon siya. Ito lang sa kami. Serve na sila ng second food. Ayan guys, anong food pa yan? This is the menu. What do you want? Potato wedges.
Frittata.
Frittata, how about yourself?
Just one, two.
Frittata, thank you.
And nag-order na kami. Tapos na lang. Parehas kaming in-order ni Tom. Ayan. Yeah. Thank you. Uy. Ito ay. Uy, sarap. What is this?
Yogurt.
I want butter.
Should be in my lap.
Let me see. Tignan natin kung ano to. Guys. Egg with potatoes and veggies. Okay. The fruits. Okay. Kain na muna tayo. Kain na kami nito. Gusto akong kumain. Ito. Hindi ko na inubos tong kasi walang butter. So, gusto rin yung place. So, yung in-vlog dito, gano'ng inubos. So, malapit na kami. 3 hours na lang. So, still na kami sa Taipei. Ayan, C1 tayo, baby. Let's go.
Sean says that
What?
Gabby is the absolute sweetheart. He's doing great. They want to keep him.
No. Ang daming tao. Grabe. A lot of people. Baby, let's go T1. Clark. Here we go. Here we go, Clark. Here we go, Clark. Clark. Baby, Clark. Want a coffee? Guys, nandito tayo sa Taste of Taiwan. Nandito tayo sa Kumputi ngayon. Ayan si Tom. Taste of Taiwan. Ayan si Jowa. Ayan, bibili siya ng coffee. Ako din. So gusto ko rin coffee kasi umaga kami dumating dito 6 AM. So ayan, mag-coffee muna tayo.
Please pay attention. You're about to begin a confidential flight mission.
为了安全完成任务，请仔细地观看影片。
Please focus carefully on this video briefing.
现在我们将为您介绍本飞机各项安全设备及使用方法。
We're going to introduce the safety features aboard this aircraft.
为了安全完成飞行任务，请勿携带以下任何违禁物品。
To ensure your safety, we would like to remind you that no dangerous articles may be carried in your baggage.
确保飞行中不被任何电子设备干扰飞行安全。
It's important that flight safety is not compromised by any electronic devices.
传输类电子用品需调整为飞行模式，并关闭 WiFi 功能。无法调整为飞行模式的传输类电子用品，请关机。
Transmitting electronic devices must be turned off or in flight mode.
ganitong nasa aeroplano ka at kumakain ka na, diba? Ang sarap ng buhay. Enjoy si Jowa. So, sarap ng ano nun, diba? So, nasa aeroplano ka lang, tapos kakain ka lang. Fruit. Diba? Tapos kasama mo pa yung Jowa mo. Guys, God bless. Thank you, Lord. Hale. Ate Pandintang, ayan na. Ay, Tom! Ay, Totong na. Baby, my mom.
Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. How are you?
Good. Falling over.
Come on, let's go with brother. Ay, Tom, my brother. Come on, let's go. Bon. Bless ka, Totong mo. Ayan, nandito na kami.